What if I told you that AI can now watch a viral video, understand it, and then recreate it in your brand style in just a few minutes? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, not anymore. Because today, I'm diving deep into Topview Video Agent, an AI tool that lets marketers and creators reproduce viral short videos automatically, powered by OpenAI Sora2. It's like having your own AI production team that never sleeps. No camera, no editing, no actors, just creativity, automated. Let's see if it actually lives up to the hype. What is Topview Video Agent? So, Topview Video Agent is one of the key features inside Topview.ai, a creative AI platform designed for brands, sellers, and content creators who want to produce short-form videos fast. This feature is specifically built to recreate trending or viral videos in your brand's tone and aesthetic. You basically feed it a viral clip. It could be from TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. And the AI will analyze the video's pacing, camera angles, and scene composition, study the script and emotion behind it, and then rebuild it automatically using AI-generated visuals and voices. The result? A completely new video, with your product, your visuals, your message, but the same viral energy. And what makes it all possible is OpenAI Sora2, a next-gen text-to-video engine known for its cinematic quality and lifelike motion. How to use Topview Video Agent step by step. All right, let's get hands-on. I'll walk you through exactly how to use Topview Video Agent to recreate your first viral video. Step 1. Go to the website, head over to www.topview.ai and sign up for a free account. You'll get access to several AI tools, but we'll be using the Video Agent feature. Once you're logged in, click on Topview Video Agent from the dashboard. Step 2, paste a viral video link. Here's where the magic starts. Take any viral short video link from TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram and paste it directly into the box. Topview Agent will automatically fetch the video and start analyzing it frame by frame. It looks at shot transitions, voice tempo, lighting, and even background rhythm. Everything that makes the clip feel viral. Step 3. Customize for your brand. Next, you'll personalize it. Upload your product photo, brand logo, or even a simple concept image. Then choose your brand color palette, voiceover style, male, female, tone, and language, caption style, auto or custom. You can even let AI write a new script that matches your product but keeps the viral structure of the original. This is where Topview really shines. It doesn't just copy the original, it reimagines it for your brand. Step 4. Let the AI generate. Once everything's set, click Generate and sit back. The AI begins reconstructing the video using OpenAI Sora2. You'll literally see it rebuild each shot, creating realistic backgrounds, camera motion, and actor movements, all from text and context. It's like watching a virtual film crew work in seconds. Depending on the video length, it takes just a few minutes. Step 5, review and compare. When the video's ready, you'll get both versions. The original viral video and your AI recreated version. This is what Topview calls the aha moment, because when you play them side by side, you'll be shocked. The pacing, the energy, the transitions, everything feels almost identical. Except now, it's your brand, your message, your style. It's that moment when you realize, this wasn't filmed by a person. It was generated entirely by AI, and honestly, it's mind-blowing. I tried this with a few viral TikTok ads and some fashion reels, and every time, the AI nailed the mood and movement. You can even tweak parts of it afterward, change text, voiceover, or scene order, but you rarely need to. I used a viral product video, ran it through Topview Video Agent with my brand assets, and here are the two side by side. Original video. I recreated version. The transitions? Very close. The pacing? Hardly any difference. The look and feel? I honestly had to double check which was which. For marketers and content creators, this is a massive time saver. Instead of hiring a full team, scripting, shooting, and editing, you can now feed inspiration into AI and get production-ready output in minutes. In 2025, speed is everything. Trends come and go in hours, and if you can't keep up, you miss the wave. Topview Video Agent removes that barrier. It lets creators and brands instantly clone viral concepts and turn them into fresh, unique campaigns, without lifting a camera. We're entering an era where AI isn't just assisting creators, it's creating alongside them. Topview Video Agent has plans for every creator. Free, $0 per month, limited credits, watermark, basic features. Pro, more credits, HD exports, no watermark. Business, larger credits. Priority rendering, more avatars/voices. Enterprise, custom plan for teams and large-scale usage. Start with the free plan to test it out, then upgrade as needed. If I were you and doing marketing/video ads often, I'd start with the Pro plan to see ROI. If demand grows or need more output, move to Business or even Enterprise. If you want to try it out, go to www.topview.ai. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.